Have you ever wondered how jelly got inside donuts? Today, we're diving into the rich history of jelly-filled donuts and uncovering the secrets behind their deliciously stuffed interiors. The concept of filling a donut with jelly or jam traces back to European desserts like cakes and pastries. The earliest record dates from a German cookbook in 1485, where it was known as Gefüllte Krapfen. Initially, fillings varied due to the scarcity of sugar and jelly. Caribbean sugar plantations later made these ingredients more accessible, leading to the widespread popularity of jelly donuts in Europe. In the early 20th century, the Mayflower Doughnut Corporation began mass-producing donuts with a machine that could quickly fry and fill them. This innovation made jelly donuts accessible to many in the United States. Homemade jelly donuts usually use traditional fruit jellies, offering a more authentic flavor. In contrast, store-bought donuts often rely on formulated fillings for consistency and preservation. The filling technique involves injecting jelly into the center of the donut post-frying. This ensures a perfectly balanced texture between the soft, fluffy dough and the smooth, sweet filling. From ancient European desserts to modern mass production, the jelly-filled donut has become a beloved treat. Its history showcases innovation in baking and culinary creativity. So there you have it, from ancient recipes to modern techniques, the journey of jelly-filled donuts is fascinating. What's your favorite way to enjoy a jelly-filled donut? Let us know in the comments.